Welcome to digital testing. With the world embracing digital technologies, we believe it's about time to connect electrically powered devices digitally to leverage the tectonic technology shift. As an excellence-driven organization, Motwane is paving the way for an innovative product class: connected solutions. Motwane Connected Solution comprises of hardware devices and MOTWARE software platform. Hardware devices consist of test and management devices and monitoring devices, whereas MOTWARE software platform includes MOTWARE software web, plus MOTWARE mobile app and cloud storage. Collecting error-free data for analysis is the first step towards creating high-precision analytical models. And the MOTWARE app ensures that you are not limited to one method of data collection. Data can be organized and collected through the following ways. Motwane Connected Devices. The test engineer can link Motwane's Bluetooth-enabled test kits to the MOTWARE platform. This allows them to directly record the data on the required parameters, without the need to maintain physical records. Compatible test kit of other makes can also be used for digital testing. IOTX Transformer Monitoring Unit. Motwane's transformer monitoring device can stream real-time data about the health of the transformer to MOTWARE, along with insights and analytics. The IOTX monitoring device mounted on a transformer captures critical parameters like oil temperature, three-phase currents, three-phase voltages, location, oil level through compatible sensors, and transmits it using GPRS to MOTWARE platform. Here, data gets refreshed at interval of 5 minutes. Digital data entry. The test engineer can enter the data collected manually from the tests to the MOTWARE platform. This can be historical or present data, which is recorded manually by a contractor or tester. At Motwane, we aim to solve the traditional problem of connectivity, scalability, resilience, and security using digital technology in all our product lines.